Greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. Hello, today we are here to provide a solution for plastic pollution. Watch till the end to see how you can contribute to the betterment of the world. Let's tell you a few facts about plastic pollution. 35 billion plastic water bottles are thrown away every year. 1 million seabirds and 100,000 marine mammals are killed annually from plastic in our oceans. 500 billion plastic bags used every year. Did you know in the last decade we produced more plastic than in the whole last century?
All this plastic has to end up somewhere. And do you know where it does? It ends up in the landfills and the oceans where millions of animals consume them, leading to their deaths.
300,000 dolphins die every year by getting entangled in discarded plastic nets. 36% seals, 59% whales, 90% seabirds, and 100% of turtles consume plastic waste dumped in the oceans.
Convenience at the expense of the planet is not convenience at all.
Not just animals, plastic waste also affects us human beings. Example headache, irritation in eyes, breathing difficulties, and many more. To prevent all of this, we need to have proper waste management. One way of doing this is by recycling.
Why do we need to recycle? Because 1 ton of recycled paper saves 24,000 gallons of water, eliminates 3 cubic yards of landfill space, eliminates 60 pounds of air pollutants, saves enough energy to power the average home for 6 months, saves about 20 trees, and saves 4 barrels of oil.
Recycling takes little effort on your part for a big difference to our world.
Since we know the solution now, let's see how we can recycle dry household waste. We are planning to hold a drive where we collect this household waste and send it for recycling. It will be held in October 2021 in Pragati Nagar, Hyderabad. More details about the drive will be intimated soon. Items acceptable in this initiative are
We collect any kind of waste plastic items, but we request you to ensure that they are clean and dry.
You can contribute any empty waste, glass and metal items, clean and dry aluminium foils, and e-waste like electrical wires, batteries, etc. To minimize the wastage of plastic, please cut the package in the way it is shown here.
After this, you can collect the polythene covers and press them. Secure them with a rubber band. Then you can give it to us for recycling. After cutting the milk packets like this, wash them thoroughly and dry them. Please ensure that they don't smell. Then pack them.
Newspapers, cardboard, and online packaging outer material will be accepted. We request you to flatten the cardboard and fold it like this.
Gather and pack all the recyclable items and hand it over to us on the day of the collection drive. We accept stuff like packaging materials, food wrappers, cardboard boxes, and other dry waste.
these wastes can be transformed into new products after recycling them. Some examples are plastic lumber, buckets, containers, stadium seats, and many. You can also check these following links if you are interested to directly contact the recyclers. Each one of us can make a difference. Together, we can make a change. Let's all join hands to save the environment.